So the theme that we've chosen is Up, Up and Away. We thought that by choosing this theme that we could branch off into a series of sub-themes, like insects or birds or human-made machinery. So we have distances here on the side in kilometers. So this shows how high one of the objects would typically fly in the air. They also provide more tangible ways of understanding distance for kids. For example, a rocket would fly 360 kilometers in the air, but that's also the same distance roughly from Cork to Donegal. So you can physically remove the objects as well. You can take them off the poster and you can stick them to other parts of the poster. What we would do with this is we'd link it to an English writing lesson where the kids would come in one day and they'd see the objects are stuck in a place where they're clearly not meant to be. And we'd write a story on maybe how that object ended up there and how it's going to get back to where it's meant to be. So we also have QR codes stuck here. Rather than bombarding the children with text in the poster, we thought we'd just make it a bit more fun by just having the objects and vocabulary on it. The QR codes link them to a NASA Kids website, a website on how birds are able to fly, so that links into aerodynamics, and also a website on Voyager 1, the farthest thing from Earth that humans have made.
Okay, so here we have resource number 2. It's our Talk and Think box, designed to hopefully look like an alien, because in many of our activities, you'll see in the presentation, we have a character called Martin the Martian, just for the kids to relate to. Inside the box we have many different items, 4 items, that each explore a different curricular area. For example, item number 1, a little paper rocket, very simple. Again, thinking about paper rockets, the aerodynamics behind rockets, what fuels them, what the materials, and as for this, very simple to make themselves. Just put the straw in, blow it, it will fly across the room, very fun. Similar to that, we have an owl again. You can explore flight with it, like the rocket. You can also use this to introduce, the local environment, what birds are there, what animals are there. So that's science, and your geography. Then complete departure from the 2 of those. We have, like I said, we had Martin the Martian. Here he is. He's after crash landing in the Gaeltacht. So here's Irish coming into it. Can you help him? Give him a few words of Irish. Get him talking as well. How did he get there? How did he escape? Things like that. Just get him talking and thinking. Finally, then Martin the Martian, obviously from Mars. Here's a map of Mars. So now you have a map reading here. Do the Google references, things like that. It's just a departure from, just the boring maps, if you will. So that's our Talk and Think box, and that is our 4 items.